I'm back with another video. Hello beautiful people, my name is Diane. Come back to my channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. So today we are doing the bed cause she thick. Thick. I have that in my head. I have that in my head. Anyways, today we're doing the bed. So a week ago, it's been like a day for me, but like to you guys, it's been a week. We did that area. But today we're doing the bed so that I can sleep peacefully and cozy. And you see this area right there? You see this box? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know what to do with it, okay? I feel like I've bought different things, but I still don't know what to put there that feels like, okay, I'm gonna like this, I'm gonna enjoy this. Because there's like a lamp in the, like, on top. I'll show you guys. There's like a lamp somewhere that doesn't work, so it kind of makes no sense, but I like that it's white, so it's not, you see, it's up there somewhere. Like, it's not really seen. But I will update you guys in the near future when I've finally bought something to put there. But for now, we're doing the bed. We're gonna make it cozy, we're gonna make it nice, we're gonna make it beautiful. Okay, yeah, my hair got stuck. Anyways, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this video and keep on watching. Welcome to my bed, and this is the sleeping area. As I showed you guys in the previous video, I think I did. Yeah, I did. As I showed you guys in the previous video. So we're gonna make this cozy. As you see, there's not so much on, and we're gonna make a little bit of me. The things that I bought for the bed, I have pillows. These are IKEA pillows. I'm gonna be sure to put the prices. Look at our cat. I'm gonna be sure to put the prices. And then a bed sheet. I got pillowcases, another pillowcase or pillow cover. I don't know. And in this right, oh my god, what is this called? I just lost it. Bed cover? I think it's a bed cover. Okay, that's our cat jumping. And then I have these because the part where I can, like, where there's my electric socket, which is right here, is not so good for my chargers. It basically makes my chargers bend. So I bought this. I'm gonna be sure to put the prices for everything. And then there's more pillows. I bought this one from Hemtex. Oh, which is so good. There's actually the price on it, as you can see. Yeah, I bought that from Hemtex. And then 2 more big pillows from Yisk, which is that, and the last one. I'm having a hard time with this angle. I'm not sure how to show this really good. I hope I find the right angle to show you guys. But I'm gonna have a lot of pillows. Yeah, anyways, let's start. So I think I'm gonna iron this because it's very wrinkly. Like, look at these lines, man. Like, I ain't trying to sleep in that. I mean, the bed sheet itself is already messy. At least the bed cover gonna look good. But this is really good material. Like, it feels so soft. Oh my god, this is gonna be nice to sleep in later today. So honestly, these are amazing. These are amazing. And same as the bed sheets. I always noticed that I would buy the wrong size for my bed sheets. I don't know why I did that. It's really stupid. And finally, I have the right bed, the right size. I have a couple more, and this feels great. This is amazing material. So I'm gonna go ahead and iron it, and then I'll get back to you guys after I've put it in here. I don't think that's so interesting to see, really. I'm back. The bed is laid. It looks kind of like that. I would advise you, if you have a dark room, like my room is really brown, I feel like it has a lot of brown tones, have a lot of white, have a lot of more brighter colors. It could be white, it could be some beige, it could be light pink, something like that. It helps brighten up the room in a way, you know. So try that out. So right now, let's put in the pillows. I've never really opened IKEA pillows, so I'm really interested to see how this is gonna turn out to be. Okay, let's see what this is gonna be. Oh, they look like that. These are such like decor pillows. Okay, I don't mind that. Okay, I'm gonna start with these that are going in the back, and I bought pillowcases that look like the color of the pattern on the bed cover, so it can match. And then I have this. I do not remember where I bought it, but there are plenty of this kind of stuff out there. I really wish like I could remember where it's from. But it's written on way. Oh, it could be Hemtex. Did I buy this from Hemtex? It's written on Hemtex steel, at least. Okay, since I don't know what to do with that part inside, I'm gonna start with something simple. Oh, I already put one of these in the back. I'm gonna give this to my sister, she probably needs it. I'm gonna put this, it's a plate, it's a glass plate with stones in it, and then it looks like that. And then these tiny, oh my god, my nail. This went off yesterday, ignore the ghetto. But yeah, so this tiny animals, I don't know what they're called. I'm gonna put it right there for the meantime for the meantime, as a way to actually find what I really want to put there. But for now, I'm just gonna put this. I feel like it's really simple and it's gonna look really cute there, you know. Something else that I do, I use as decor. I have a lot of interior design magazines, so I'm gonna use these as decor. So basically, I use my laundry basket as a table-ish because I don't really place so much things on it. So I use it like as a bedside table. It helps both ways. I'm keeping space instead of buying like a whole brand new table. So I'm gonna put these interior design magazines on top, and then put like a candle holder. It'll be something like that. I got this golden candle holder. It's really cute. I bought this a really long time ago, so I have no idea where I got this from. I've had this for several years, and I'm gonna put this on top right here. So that's it for the bed. I'm so excited. I'm gonna sleep in this bed tonight. Oh, I'm trying to have the longest shower tonight. You know that feeling when you're sleeping in like brand new sheets and everything. So I'm gonna do a cute reveal because I have to. I feel like you guys have already seen the whole bed, but let's make this look good, okay? Okay, so before I leave, I end the video. One more thing that you can always add is a carpet. That is something that I have not bought yet, which I will do. I'll be sure to update you guys definitely when I buy a carpet and do something about that tiny place right there, because it makes everything more cozy. It makes it warm and nice. So a carpet is a good idea. Anyways, see you next week in the next video where I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to my table.